In this video, we'll take a look at configuring Nerdio Manager to display values of costs and savings in your local currency. Prior to version 4.2 of Nerdio Manager, the prices were all displayed in US dollars, and in version 4.2 and later, it is now possible to configure several other currencies. So where does the price actually show up? So the first place you'll see pricing is on the dashboard page. You'll see that there is a savings and a calculated cost per user. If you click on some of the tooltips, you'll see there's additional cost data from storage savings and from compute and OS disk utilization. And you can see this type of data throughout Nerdio Manager. You can see it at the workspace level and even at the individual hostful level. So all of this was in US dollars, and it is now possible to configure other currencies. The way you would do that is by going to the settings Nerdio environment page. And if we scroll all the way to the bottom, you will see there is a new currency dropdown. This currency dropdown will give you US dollars, euros, Great British pounds, Canadian dollars, Australian dollars, and New Zealand dollars. So let's go ahead and convert our install to euros. Let's go ahead and select that. It will show you the current conversion rate that is actually pulled from the Microsoft foreign exchange rate calculation that's used in Azure. And by doing this, if we now take a look at those very same pages, we'll see that now our values are displayed in the selected currency. So really easy to configure and useful for our international customers who are outside of the US and want to see values in their local currency. There's also another video that talks about a cost discount that can be added to the Nerdio Manager app service configuration, and that allows you to have these values displayed not only in terms of list prices, but actually include your own negotiated discount that you may be getting from Microsoft. Hope you found this useful, and I will see you in future videos.